VidInc is a link to video creation suite, and that simply means you find a page, you copy that page link and you paste it into the software to create your videos. Now, of course, there are tons and tons of great video editing creation tools on the market already, and you might be wondering why you would want to use VidInc. And the reason is simple. It's all about content. Sure, you can create the most dynamic videos online. They can look fantastic, but that doesn't mean that you're going to get any more traffic from those videos. The point of VidInc is to create videos fast, content videos. Now, as I'm sure most of you know, content is king. It's a phrase that you've probably heard before, and it still rings true today. Content has always been king online. People are always searching for content. Google rewards content. The whole of the internet is based around new content. Now, the only difference between now and say 5 years ago is the fact that nobody reads anymore. People's attention spans are very, very short. They expect to watch a video. So you could have a great article, you could have a great blog post, but if somebody has to decide between reading your blog post or watching a video, they're going to watch the video. And that's the point. That's the whole point behind VidInc and content videos. Now, this is a process that has worked for at least 5 years. I've been doing this myself for over 5 years, and I'd like to show you a video I created back in 2015. Now, if you look here, this is a video that I published, and you can see that it was published 23rd of November 2015. Of course, this isn't a huge niche, but the fact is, this video took me 2 minutes to create. It stuck to the top of Google for over 5 years, and it's driven tens of thousands of views. Now, all of those views, all of that traffic is 100% free. You can create videos just like this in 2 minutes with VidInc, and you can pump them out over and over and over again. Now, let me show you how VidInc works. So first of all, VidInc is a software. It's a web-based software. What that means is there's nothing for you to download. You simply get your login credentials, you log in from any device, and you can use it from any device. Once you've logged in, then you'll be presented with your personal VidInc dash, which will look something like this. So here you can see the videos that you've already created, pending videos. What that means is videos that are rendering right now, haven't yet completed, they'll show here, and all of the videos that you've uploaded to YouTube so far. Now, VidInc connects with your YouTube channel, so you can upload all completed videos directly to YouTube. So you don't have to log out of the software, download anything, you simply do it all from VidInc. Here you can see all of the videos that you've created. You can see all of your YouTube uploads. So these are all the videos you've already uploaded to YouTube. Your YouTube accounts, so you can see which accounts you have connected to VidInc. Your social media accounts, obviously for sharing, and your media elements, images, videos, and audios. So in order to create your first content video, what you need to do is click on Video Creator on the left-hand menu. So if we click there, and then we need to find a URL to turn into a video. Now, URL, that simply means a page link. So you can find a page link in absolutely any niche you like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my blog, and then I'm just going to copy the URL. So that's the link at the top of the page. Copy that, and then drop that in there like that, and then click Submit. And once you've done that, there are 4 steps. So you can see them here. So screenshot configuration. So this simply means that it's taken a screenshot of the whole page. Now you can check the screenshot just by clicking here. So you need to add a name for your video. So this is a video that you're going to make. So we'll call this one Underground Affiliate System Q&A. And here you can add additional images if you want to. This is pixel based, so all of the images are free to use. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but you can add them if you want to. So you just drop your keyword in there and click search. So next you can select images from the page. So these aren't the screenshot images, these are just images taken from that page. So I might want to use that one there, and here we have the screenshots of the actual page. So what you can do here is, if you wanted to change the order of these pages, you can do that. You can see they're all numbered, so 1, 2, I've just moved that one, but you can see what I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So yeah, you can move all of those about. You can change them up to look exactly how you want. Now this element adds narration to your videos, so rather than them just being a bunch of images and screenshots and text, they're actually completely narrated for you. So you can choose from male narration, female narration, and there are a number of each. So there's a number of male, a number of female. So we're going to leave this one as it is. So we have a male narrator and it's in English. Now, if you want to produce videos in a different language, then all you need to do is click here and you can see the languages that are included there. So now we can preview the audio. So if I click here, and I'll let you listen to it.
Underground Affiliate System Q&A. Question 1. Can you tell me what UAS is? Answer. In a nutshell, UAS is a done-for-you affiliate system, which means all the user has to...
So you can hear the narration now. That's a preview of the audio that will be added to your video. And again, you can change the narrator if you don't like that one. You can change the gender, so you can change it to female if you prefer. But you can do all of that right here, and you can sample it all here. If you wanted to add your own voice, so your own voiceover, then you can do that here just by hitting record. So once you're happy with the narration of your video, then click next. So step 3 is an optional step. It will allow you to add intros and outros, so you can add an intro video or an intro image. Now, if you don't have an image to use, you can use one from Pixabay, and you can narrate the intro video if you want to. And the same with an outro. So you can add a video outro or an image outro, and again, you can use Pixabay and you can record narration. But again, this is optional. You don't need to use this, but it's there as an optional step if you want to. So I'm going to leave that as is for now, and then I'm just going to click next and go to step 4. Here we just finalize the video. So this will allow you to add watermarks, logos, lower thirds, but again, you don't have to do any of this if you don't want to, and then click submit. So now you can see that the data is submitted successfully and the video will be generated shortly. Now this will take a short while depending on how long the video actually is. So you can see the actual creation process takes literally seconds. It will take a little while for the video to be rendered, and then once it is, you can upload it directly to YouTube, and then you can start sharing it. So once you've created your video, you're going to need to upload it directly to YouTube. Now there are 2 options here, and both are included in the front end. So you can see here that we have single upload and we have multiple upload. And what multiple does is it allows you to take that one video and then use Spintax and spin all of the details multiple times. So although you'll be uploading the same video, each video will have a different name, title, description, tags, etc. So all of this is done with the multiple upload option here. So this will allow you to get additional traffic, use more keywords, rank for different phrases, all using essentially the same video. So I'm just going to use the single upload for now, just to show you how it works. We would drop our description in there, the title in there, the affiliate link in there. If you're not using an affiliate link, it might just be a link for a page that you want to direct traffic to. So essentially your destination link goes in there and your tags go in here, and then click next. The channel, so obviously this will be your channel. Category, the time, so you can schedule the time here, and the time zone that you want to use, and we click next. And then what you need to do is select the video. So the video that you just made, you click here and then it should show up here. So you can see that the video that I made just a moment ago is right here. So we just click use this and it's loaded here. Then add your thumbnail. So to do that, we just click here and then choose the thumbnail that we want to use and then click submit. Now you can see that that video is uploaded to YouTube. Now something else to mention, if English isn't your first language and you'd rather use VidInc in your own language, then all you need to do is come up here and then choose your language from the drop down menu. So let's say that I wanted to use Chinese, for example. Click there and you can see the whole of the dash, everything is turned from English into Chinese and then back. Okay, so like I say, if English isn't your first language and you'd rather use VidInc in your own language, then go ahead and choose from the drop down menu. Again, this is included in the front end. So just to recap, VidInc will allow you to create a complete video from nothing more than a page link. So any page link, doesn't matter what niche you're in, you'll be able to find a page which fits your niche. All you need is a link at the top of that page. You take that link, that URL, you paste it into VidInc, and then you create your video. What VidInc does is it takes a complete screenshot, it takes all of the images and all of the text. There's very little for you to do. You just choose the images, use some of the text as narration, and then once the video has completely rendered, it will show up in video lists, and then you can upload it to YouTube. And once you do that, you can share it across your social media platforms. Everything that I've shown you in this demonstration video is included in the front end. So you can upload to YouTube on a single basis, or you can use the multiple spin tags feature. We've included full voice narration with several different options for you to choose from, so you can make fully narrated videos in a matter of minutes, and you can keep uploading these to YouTube. So remember, it takes literally minutes to complete, with very little for you to do. There's no skill involved. Everything's included. Everything that I've shown you in this video is included. You create the videos in absolutely any niche. You upload those videos to YouTube, you share them across social media, and they start to drive traffic. And each time you make a video, that video has the potential to drive you thousands and thousands of free views, free traffic to any offer that you wish.